Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Jason Rivera and I'm going to take you through this bar chords class. In this class, I'll be covering how to play bar chords, how to play half bar chords, how to use a capo, how to play a song that uses bar chords, and lots of tips, tricks, and resources. You can join me with your acoustic or your electric guitar. The class will give you plenty of opportunity to watch me demonstrate the various techniques that we're going to cover. And I encourage you to pause, rewind, and rewatch the video lessons as many times as you need to. I'm also going to provide you with downloadable resources for this class. I've been playing and writing music since I was a small kid, and I've been teaching music to students ages 5 and up, including private guitar lessons since 2012. I'm a full-time musician and composer. I've written music for films, trailers, and e-learning courses, and I've played in bands and toured the US since I was a teenager. My goal with this class is to teach you, the beginner guitar player, how to play essential bar chord shapes so that you can move forward, learn some of your favorite songs, and express yourself more freely on the guitar. My hope is to make this process fun and easy for you. I want you to start playing bar chords as soon as possible, and I want you to use them to play your favorite songs. Thank you for watching this intro. Now grab your guitar and I'll see you in our first lesson.